What if I told you that most people waste time and money trying to master data science the wrong way? Today, I'll expose the top 5 ways to learn data science, ranking them from the least to the most effective. And trust me, the top 2 strategies might just change the way you approach learning forever. Some methods sound promising, but fail to deliver real-world readiness. Stick around because we're diving deep into why each approach works, or doesn't, and I'll reveal the ultimate strategy to master data science in 2025. Learn data science smarter, not harder. Ranked top 5 strategies. Let's break it down, starting with the bottom of the list. 5th place, watching tutorials. Starting us off is the most common approach, watching tutorials. It's where most people begin, and let's be honest, it's an easy trap to fall into. The biggest issue? It's incredibly time-consuming. Sure, you'll learn the basics, how to code, use pandas, maybe even build a machine learning model. But tutorials are far from real-world experience. You're just following instructions, not solving problems on your own. Companies don't care how many tutorials you've watched. They care about how well you can solve real-world problems. Tutorials are helpful for starting out but provide limited real-world benefit. Think about it. When you're just copying code, you're not actually learning how to think like a data scientist. Tutorials are like watching someone solve a puzzle instead of solving it yourself. Tutorials is not equal to problem-solving skills. And let's talk about your resume. No recruiter is going to hire you because you've completed a tutorial on Kaggle. They want to see real-world projects and results. So while tutorials are a great starting point, relying on them alone will leave you underprepared for the job market. 4th place, boot camps. Next up, we have boot camps, structured programs that promise to turn you into a data scientist in a matter of weeks. Sounds perfect, right? Let's dig deeper. Boot camps are great because they provide structure and a community. But here's the truth. They're expensive, rush through concepts, and often leave you with surface-level knowledge. Most boot camps don't give you enough time to truly understand what you're learning. Plus, many of them rely on pre-cleaned datasets and predefined problems, things you'll rarely see in the real world. And the cost? Lakhs of rupees for a program that might not even guarantee you a job. Without real-world projects or experience, a boot camp certificate alone won't make you stand out. High cost, limited results. Boot camps can give you a head start, but they're no substitute for real-world experience. Let's move on. 3rd place, self-paced learning. Self-paced learning takes the 3rd spot. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Kaggle are fantastic for flexibility. You can learn Python, machine learning, and even advanced topics on your own schedule. But there's a catch. Without accountability, self-paced learning can become a slow, unfocused journey. And here's another issue. These courses often don't simulate real-world problems. You're working with clean datasets and ideal scenarios, which rarely happen on the job. Now, don't get me wrong. Self-paced learning can be valuable, especially if you combine it with hands-on practice. But on its own, it's not enough to prepare you for real-world challenges. Flexibility is not equal to real-world readiness. That's why self-paced learning earns 3rd place. Let's move on to the strategies that truly make a difference. At best, self-paced learning is a solid supplement. But on its own, it won't prepare you for messy, high-stakes, real-world challenges. 2nd place, hands-on projects. Now we're getting to the game changers. In 2nd place, hands-on projects. This is where you stop learning and start doing. Specific examples of hands-on projects. 1. Hotel booking cancellation prediction. A. Use real-world booking data to predict cancellations based on features like lead time, room type, and special requests. B. Skills. Data cleaning, feature engineering, and building classification models. C. Tools. Pandas, scikit-learn, SHAP for explainability. 2. Customer segmentation. A is analyze customer purchasing patterns to group them into segments. B. Skills. Clustering, EDA, and actionable insights for marketing strategies. C. Tools. K-means, Matplotlib, Seaborn. 3. Sentiment analysis for product reviews. A. Scrape product reviews and build a model to classify them as positive or negative. B. Skills. text preprocessing, NLP, and model evaluation. C. Tools. NLTK, Scikit-learn, Word Cloud. These projects teach you more than just coding. They help you understand how to solve problems, communicate insights, and build something tangible that companies can evaluate. They help you think like a data scientist by tackling real-world challenges, building intuition, and showcasing your work in interviews. Hands-on projects are critical for building intuition and standing out in interviews. But if this is ranked 2, what could possibly beat it? First place, assisting freelancers. Here's the ultimate strategy: assisting freelancers. It's unconventional, but incredibly effective. Specific examples of freelance assistance. 1. Data pipeline creation. A. Assist a freelancer in automating a client's data pipeline. B. Learn ETL processes, database integration, and data cleaning. 2. Dashboard development. A. Help a freelancer create interactive dashboards for a marketing client. B. Learn data visualization, storytelling, and meeting real-world requirements. 3. Real estate price prediction. 8. Collaborate on a client project to predict housing prices based on location and features. B. Learn regression modeling, feature engineering, and client communication. Assisting freelancers immerses you in real-world projects with tight deadlines and messy client data. You'll gain mentorship, sharpen your problem-solving skills, and develop the intuition needed to thrive in this field. And let's not forget, it looks fantastic on your resume. Companies see real-world experience, collaboration skills, and problem-solving abilities. It's a win-win. Real projects equals real skills. The fastest route to job-ready skills. So, here's the final ranking. 5. Watching tutorials. 4. Boot camps. 3. Self-paced learning. 2. Hands-on projects. 1. Assisting freelancers, even if it's for free. Asterisk. If you combine hands-on projects with freelance experience, you'll build real-world skills, gain intuition, and be job-ready faster than you thought possible. Inspired to take action? Comment below with the strategy you're most excited to try. Let's turn your curiosity into a career.